Pozdrav svima, dobrodošli na Dane mobilnosti i edukacije koje organizira BHV Education. BHV Education inače je najstarija organizacija u Hrvatskoj koja se bavi obrazovanjem u inozemstvu, a ovo je 11. međunarodni sajam školovanja u inozemstvu. S nama su danas sveučilišta iz Danske, Nizozemske, Velike Britanije, Austrije, Italije i brojnih drugih europskih destinacija, također i biznis privatne škole za hotelski turistički menadžment iz Švicarske, Španjolske. Osim inozemnih sveučilišta, s nama su danas i brojne privatne srednje škole koje će predstaviti svoje programe bazirane u Velikoj Britaniji i SAD-u.
Hi, my name is Tina. I'm from the University of Southern Denmark, and I'm here to tell you a bit about our engineering programs taught in English, so you don't have to speak Danish to study with us. All of them are tuition-free for EU citizens, and they're very practical in their approach. So you don't just have to learn the theoretical knowledge, you also get to develop your practical skills, working on exciting projects with companies, and we also do have the first job guarantees for you guys, which is going to guarantee you a job after you graduate your Bachelor of Engineering or Master of Science in Engineering with a 6-month full paid in one of the companies in the area.